morning, guys. It is a beautiful day in Hawaii. We are headed to Starbucks right now to upload a video from Bowl Mines from Sunday. So the difference of what night and day looks like. We didn't know this beach. We didn't know this beach was here.
No, we did. We walked around.
Is this? Oh, we walked around. You're right, when we came back.
Yeah.
Okay, you're right, you're right. Let breakfast commence. Get acai bowls. And a view. Change of plans. We found the Starbucks, but they were like packed full and we weren't about waiting in line, so we went to this other place, got some food, which you saw, and now we're at McDonald's to get coffee and use our Wi-Fi. So hopefully we'll get these uploaded today. Wish us luck. So Megan and I decided to come to the zoo because it's like right across from where we're staying, and why not? So we're here. They're so cute. Megan, can you be a flamingo? Oh, you're nailing it. Do it one more time. Nailed it. This sounds silly probably, but they have pressed pennies, and those are my freaking favorite. So I'm gonna get a pressed penny if I have the stuff to get one. Just informed me she's never done a penny. Are you? Okay. Oh, there's a Komodo dragon one. That's easily what I'm gonna get. Okay.
On the elephant.
Oh, there's the Hawaii state bird. See, that seems like more of something that I should get, but I just really want the Komodo dragon.
Hey!
Oh, it's pressing. I can feel it.
Calm down. That was such a struggle.
Oh, he's beautiful. What's yours? Elephant? Elephant? I found a bird sanctuary. Ugh, that bush. It's like those things used to hang in your doorway.
Yeah.
That made you like really cool. How cool is that? What are this? Oh, he's gonna fly. Do it, do it, do it, do it.
Look at him, he's so tempted. Are you afraid of heights, sir? You can do it. He looks like he's coming over to like give him encouragement. It's like, look, this is what you do. Oh look, he's got another buddy. Come on, dude, you can do it. I trust in you. I believe in you. You got this. Bird anxiety 101. And you're afraid of heights, but you're a bird. It's okay, dude.
You can do it.
You can do it.
Do it, do it.
Oh look, you've got another buddy. Yay! You did it.
Success!
Good job. I would high five you.
Jordan, I don't know where you are in the world right now, but if you're watching this, look at this monkey.
Guys, look at this monkey.
Oh my gosh, look at his little face.
Look at him. You are cute, sir.
Oh, he's eating a banana. How stereotypical. found him. Found him. Megan. Oh, he's so cute. Look at the lemurs, guys. They're sleeping.
They are so cute.
They are.
Just snuggle them. It's like a snuggle puddle. And snuggle puddle.
I need one of them to just spontaneously jump up and start dancing.
You said spontaneously. I just was gonna go with combust.
Oh, hi, turtle. And turtle. Why? So we got lemurs, and then we got these fuzzy monkeys in the back. And the turtles. Amazing. From lemur, not lemurs. What are these? From spider monkeys. And a bird, apparently. Oh my gosh, these things are massive. So this thing that looks like a tire in the water, that's a crocodile. He's freaking massive. This elephant is like trying to hop the fence to freaking get grass. Oh, I love him. Also, can we talk about the bigger picture here? Like, hello, mountain. All right, I think he's mad. He has a tire on his foot. This elephant looks so sad. Sorry for the shakiness, guys. I didn't bring my tripod. A lot of fun at the zoo. I did feel really bad for the elephant, though. I'm looking for the tigers right now because I keep seeing signs that says that there's a tiger somewhere, and I haven't found him yet, which is pretty bumming. Makes me bummed is what I'm trying to say. I lost Megan also. So, yeah. Passed the cheetahs. I don't know how I missed them, but I did. Megan found them. I also found Megan. She's here.
Alright. 1, 2.
You see this cutie? Probably he's blurry. Let's see.
You don't lift me up like that.
It's a problem-free philosophy. Hakuna Matata. We can't find him. Hakuna Matata. We're hoping that singing Hakuna Matata, the song of his people, it will bring him out. And I have a sneaking suspicion that he's over there in that corner, which we can't see. Like, we can't find a vantage point that we can see him from if he would be there.
I'm sure you could hear Michaela what she said.
Oh, yeah. Is that a swan? It's an African swan. Yeah, look at the sign. Like to your left. Right there. Never seen a swan in real life.
Really?
How did I know that African penguins were not, how did I not know that this was a thing? Oh, hi, you're so pretty. We saw the signs for the lions.
No, actually hunting dog.
Well, oh, we saw the signs for the lions, but Megan didn't see the lion.
Yeah, I couldn't see him.
That's a bummer. These are African hunting dogs and they're not in here either, so that's disappointing. Found the lion. He's sleeping though. I don't really think we can see him that great. I'll show you. We found the lion, but my next, oh, there's Peacock. My next goal is to find the Komodo dragons because those are my favorite things at the zoo. Those are my favorite things at the zoo. Those and elephants, I love them. So, wish us luck because I can't find it. Found them. We found them. I love them. This tree is cool. It's some kind of fruit, I'm assuming. Fruit tree? I don't really know. This is a cute little farm. Garden, I mean. Not farm. So we've seen pretty much everything. We think we have at least. My skin is burned. We're getting there. We're gonna go find some sunscreen and we don't really know what. Get some food, probably back at that same place because it was a lot of vegan stuff and it was really good. So we just got back to the hospital and we picked up some food on the way and some sunscreen, so that's good because look at that.
Yeah.
You too.
Aloe on me.
Oh yeah, we bought aloe as well, so hopefully that will help with that. And I think we're gonna go snorkeling after we recharge and eat. So I'm tired already, you guys, and it's like 3 o'clock. This is what I got from that one vegan place. It's not actually vegan.
No.
But they have vegan foods, and oh my gosh, it looks so good.
It's got buckwheat noodles in it and tofu and edamame and
It looks really
stuff.
good.
And then I got watermelon juice because heck yes.
I also got a tropical storm smoothie and it's really good. I should have got a bigger size, honestly.
Yeah.
Okay, I've heard so much about Spam musubi. Is that how you say it? Something like that. It looks way different for some reason than I thought it was gonna. And I'm about to eat it. Here it goes. Okay, it's not bad. Pretty salty though. Not bad.